Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish Television. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, on your sheet of paper, equations from charts. Here we go. As this focus is. Okay. So, here's your title. You can write this in your notebook. You don't need graph paper. Just write it in your notebook. There we go. And so, first thing, we got to find out the equation. So, how do I get from x to y? That's what you're trying to figure out. And so before we were just looking at multiplication as one step. So 1 times 5 is 5, right? But 2 times 5 is not 10. It's 10, not 8. So I need to come up with another way. So this is how you do it. So y equals. So look at the change in y here. Change in x. This is going up 1. This is going up 3. Because 5 plus 3 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11, and then 11 plus 3, etc. So, if you want to think about it in terms of like $3 per one guest, like we talked about in class, it's $3 per one person. So, I take this and I choose any one of these. So, I'm trying to get from here to here. It's always the same rule. So, let's choose 4. I don't know. I just chose it. It could have chosen 3 or 2. So, what's 3 times 4? 3 times 4 would be 12. So if I'm at 12 right now, how do I get to 14? Yeah, plus 2. So let's see if that works. So to get from x to y, you multiply by 3 and then add 2. And that gets you to your y. Let's see if it works for 2. I don't know. I just chose it at random. 3 times 2. If you want to do it like this, you can. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8, which is that right there. There we go. And it would work for any one of these. So, great job. Let's try number 2 over here. Okay. So I see the change in y first and then the change in x. The x is changing by 1 still. This is going up by how much? Yeah, 2. Because 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay. So it's going up 2. So you're multiplying by 2 first. So let's choose anyone. Let's choose a 3. So 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. How do I get to 8? Yep, plus 2. So times 2 plus 2. Let's try it with 4, just to check. So if I take 4, I times 2 plus 2, I should get this. I take 2 times 2 plus 2, I should get this. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is, 10. I get the same thing here and here. There we go. Cool. So this is y equals 2x plus 2. This is y equals 3x plus 2. Let's try this one. Woo! All right, number 3. Write that down. All right, here we go. What's the change in y? That'd be going down 2 or subtracting 2. Because 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. There we go. Okay, so now I'm subtracting 2. Ooh, my goodness. So I'm going down 2 first. So I'm here. Negative 2 times 1. When I have a negative number here I'm multiplying, I always like to start up here rather than down here because this usually get bigger numbers. So plus something. I'm trying to figure out what this is. So negative 2 times 1 plus something is going to equal 8, because that's what I'm trying to get to is 8. So negative 2 times 1 plus whatever gets me 8. That's what I'm trying to figure out. So that's negative 2 plus what is 8? Ooh. Ooh. I can think about it in terms of number line here. So negative 2 to 8. How do I get there? Well, it's 2 spaces here. 1, 2. And then it's 8 spaces here to get from 0 to 8. So it's 2 spaces back to 0, then 8 spaces. So that's 10 total spaces. Or I can just solve this equation and just add 2 to both sides. And I get 8 plus 2, which is 10, equals b. So this one is y equals negative 2x plus 10. There we go. Negative 2x plus 10. Let's choose 2. Let's see if it works. So y equals negative 2 times 2 plus 10. Does that give me 6? Let's see. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 plus 10 is, 6. Got it. All right, let's try this one. You try it. This one's number 4. Ready, set, go. All right, cool. Let's do it. Up 4, up 4, up 4. Change in x is up 1. So y equals 4x. 4 times x. All right, let's choose another 3. What's 4 times 3? 12. How do I get to 13 if I'm at 12? Plus 1. Got it. 4 times 4 is times 4 plus 1. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1, 17. Got it. There we go. Oh my goodness. 2 more. See if you can get 5 and 6. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see. This is going up 2, up 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Plus 2 plus 2 is 4, etc. Up 1, up 1, up 1, obviously. So y equals 2x. Let's try this. 2 times 3 is 6. Then how do I get here? Uh-oh. If I'm at 2 times 3 is 6, I gotta subtract 4. Let's try this. 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 4 is 4. Yep. 2x minus 4. Excellent job. You got that? Put a check. This one, going up 1, going up 1, going up 1, going up 1. Yeah. Y equals 1x. So 3 times 1 is 3. It's chosen as random. How do I get to 9? 3 to 9, that's plus 6. Y equals x plus 6. So I'm just adding 6. 4 plus 6. Plus 6 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. 1 plus 6 is 7. Got it. There you go. So those are 2 answers for that one. Great job. Keep it going. Nice work, everybody.